Hello, and welcome back to another unboxing. I'm your white mage, and today we have something truly remarkable. We have a Chinese Opus V box. I'm really excited for this. Get that Ishtola promo. So we're gonna dive right in. Oh man, that just looks real nice. Oh, the full art Stola promo was just a really good looking promo. Very happy to get it. Alright, now let's move on to some packs. Opus V just has a bunch of good stuff. There's nothing in particular I'm looking for, but it's always nice to see a foil wool or a foil Diabolos. I don't think I have one of those yet. I think I'd be happy to get a foil Diabolos. Or Phoenix. Foil Phoenix. I'm not a big fan of the way foil Cloud of Darkness looks. It's basically the same as a non-foil Cloud of Darkness. Mateus. And a Death Gaze. And actually, this Death Gaze has the S effect instead of the misprinted dull symbol. Flandit. And a Barnabas. Dark Knight. And Arya. Oh. Odin. Star Sybil. And a Lightning. Spicillion. And a Carbuncle. And a Twilight Odin. Vossler and a Nidell. Name? The Emperor. A Glaciolobulus. Foil Sarah. And an Orphan. Getting all the Ice Legends. Momodi. And a Sid. Luso. And a Zemus. Oh, foil Ishtola. 2 foilish stolas. Ida and a Vaughn. And a Wool. Hero Wool. Aladai and a Refia. Foil Adele and a Royal Ripeness. Red Mage and a Luso. Parvir and a Calbrina. Fisher, K-Tuna. Gesper and a Cloud of Darkness. Foil Palom and an Edward. Botanist and an Adele. Royal Ripeness and a Tella. Warrior. Alice. Ingus. Ingus. Thancred. Wool and a Star Sybil. Oh, foil Orphan and an Odin. All right, box is looking a little bit better now. Orator and a Phoenix. Green Mage and a Luna. Aria and a Diabolos. Layak and a Rosa. All right, all in all, not too bad of a box. I'm actually really happy with it. 2 Chinese-ish stolas. Not too happy about the Palom, but it happens. All right, so thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.